Hi friends, we are on a highway from Bandhwari, which is Bandhwari, and we are moving towards Faridabad. I'm going to take you around and show you the fantastic drive which you all can have if you are driving through this particular area. Have a look, enjoy yourself. There's absolutely a lot of greenery around in this area. If you need some kind of a petrol after you come down from Bandhwari or from Gurgaon, there are two petrol pumps right on the right, if you see. So you can fill up your tanks if you want to, right here on the right. See here on the right, the petrol pumps are there. Heading forward, now we are heading forward towards a toll known as the Bandhwari toll. So you be ready, you need to shell out some money for the toll moving this side. Absolute greenery, absolutely lovely. If you see, you would love this area. Today is the 22nd of September 2018. It's rained yesterday night, therefore the weather is absolutely cool. You can see right up on the skies. If my camera can absolutely take in some, you can see still a lot of clouds around. It could rain today as well. So here you go. The toll would be coming in shortly. Meanwhile, you can enjoy the greenery around. Here we are proceeding towards the toll now. See the greenery. Toll plaza ahead is 1 kilometer from here. If you're going on a bike ride, this would be a lovely place to do your biking. Every Sunday we can see a lot of people, a lot of groups biking around. Here now we have reached the toll. There's separate lane for bikes right on the left. The bikes can go from there. The people who have the toll tags can go into the tag lane. There you go in the tag lane. And you need to pay the toll right in here. If you have the tag, the gate will open by itself. There you go. Moving forward, we paid the toll. If you see from the other side, the traffic coming in is from Faridabad. That's the traffic from Faridabad, from the opposite side. I'm cruising at a cool 60 kmph. Be careful on this road, you would be having the radars. So if you are driving on a 65, 70 plus, you could be fined for driving at a higher speed, which normally you should not be doing. It's a safety for you and the other people on this road. Be safe while you drive. So there we are going now. In case you've missed taking the petrol and you could not take on the right, another petrol pump after the Bandhwari toll will come on the left. Here you go, there's a petrol pump. You can fill up your tanks in case you've forgotten to fill up. Here on the left is the petrol pump. Moving forward, see the lush greenery around. The person who's driving obviously cannot look around to the left and the right too much, but the people sitting along with him, the passengers, could view and love the greenery around. Moving forward, in case you are still mistaking the petrol, this is the last petrol station on the left coming in, and after that you can get the petrol once you are entering into Faridabad. So that's the last petrol pump. Lovely greenery around, both on the left and the right. On the left, there's a road which is going to Mehrauli. In case you want to head down to Delhi, this is the last turn going to Delhi. It's going to Mehrauli on the left. Heading straight Faridabad. There's a petrol pump on the right, but then you have to take a long U-turn to come in here. The people coming from Faridabad can take the petrol on the right, which I just passed through. Driving here is at 65 kmph. Do not drive above 65 kmph, you would come in the radar. I'm sorry, there's another petrol pump, and I think so this is the last one. So you have a lot of petrol pumps on this track. Needless to say, fill up your tanks. There will be a lot of bumper trucks, this kind of trucks which will be moving in here. Be careful when you are driving. Sometimes these trucks, because of the heavy load, get stuck on the road. So at night driving, you have to be very, very careful. Enjoy some music till then and see the video. Absolutely fantastic. While you drive through, enjoy some music. And see the lush greenery around on this track. This is absolutely a straight road, and here you have to be very, very careful, because we're driving on a higher speed. You may be stopped by the police department for driving at a higher speed and could be fined as well. Here, if you see, that is exactly what I was saying. That's the cops right there. And in case you are driving at a higher speed, you could be fined. See, this poor guy, he was driving at a higher speed, has been fined. So you have to be careful as well. Don't drive at a higher speed. It's for your safety. Heading forward, we are coming to a point from where, if you go straight, you go to Faridabad. And if you turn left from the next T point, I would be heading towards Manav Rachna College. And going forward, I would be towards Suraj Kund and entering into Delhi. So the left to Suraj Kund, to Suraj Kund and Manav Rachna, and straight goes to Faridabad. I take the left towards Manav Rachna and Suraj Kund. This is a kind of a nice road, absolutely perfect, but the only thing is it's not a two-way carriageway. Hence you have to be very, very careful when you are driving, because you have traffic coming from both sides. Also, while you are taking over the vehicle in front of you, be careful with the vehicle from the opposite direction. Be safe, then sorry. Okay, so I've taken over the track, and moving forward, if you see, this Suraj Kund bypass road connecting from Gurgaon Faridabad road and is heading towards Manav Rachna. Both sides is absolute greenery. This is a forest area. Be careful, they would be having some cows as well sitting right on the middle of the road. Be careful while driving. On this track, you could see, because of the greenery around, you can see monkeys as well. Here you go, on the left, you see the monkeys around. These monkeys wait for people to feed them bananas and food. See these monkeys right here? Yeah, see that? Yeah, there you go. Okay? We are midway to Manav Rachna. Heading forward. You could find a lot of cows on this road, so you have to be slightly careful while driving, especially when you are driving in the night. Be very, very careful. Lovely greenery. If you love the greenery, people in Delhi NCR, if you want to see the greenery around the NCR and don't want to drive really far away, this is the area they can drive through. You have to be careful with the vehicles who are taking over from your right. Keep a safe distance. You need a very, very, very careful driving on this track. We are almost now 6 kilometers from Suraj Kund and 1 kilometer from Manav Rachna. There's Manav Rachna College and school as well. The kind of vegetation, if you see here, this stays green throughout the year. Even during the summers, the greenery may come down, but the plants are there because these kind of plants are habitual to the environment around. Here you go. Now we have almost reached the Manav Rachna point. From this T junction, if you go right, you go Faridabad. If you go left, you go to Suraj Kund and you can touch Delhi at Pehladpur, which is closer to Badarpur. If you see on the right, you have Manav Rachna College. This road is heading straight now to Suraj Kund. You can see that a lot of residential buildings would be coming in now on the right. You have the Omax Society coming in towards your right. This society is after you cross Manav Rachna College. Now, just in case you are hungry and want to catch up with some quick bite, you can hop stop your car somewhere here. You can have some nice kulchas right here. On the left, you'll have a restaurant, Bikaner Mishtan Bhandar. A quick bite you can take. On the right is gone Omax, and there are couple of societies here. This track, which I'm moving in now, has a lot of places where marriage halls are there, and the marriages are held in these areas. You can book the marriage halls here, which is on the left. Suraj Kund, where the Suraj Kund Craft Mela is held every year in the month of February, somewhere closer to mid of Feb. You need to check out the exact date. That Suraj Kund would be coming in now. It's almost 3 kilometers from here. On the right, you have NHPC Limited. So now we are quite closer to Suraj Kund. It's almost a kilometer away. During the Suraj Kund Craft Mela, it's quite difficult and jam-packed on this road. There are good parkings provided by the Suraj Kund Mela organizers, so that's not a worry at all. You can park your cars during your Suraj Kund Mela in those parking lots. Here we are almost a kilometer now from the Suraj Kund Craft Mela area. Here we have reached. We are there now. I would be slowing down my car so that you can see the entrance. This is the entrance for the Suraj Kund Mela where it is held. So I'm going now, driving straight, and this road 2 kilometers from here approximately would be the Delhi border. On the right is a petrol pump closer to the Suraj Kund Craft Mela grounds, where you can fill up your tanks if you are short of petrol. Here now we are coming closer. On the right is a big society closer to the Delhi border. If you go straight, you would be going through the shooting range. And on the right, if you go to Pehladpur, which is the Delhi border. I'm going straight, taking the shooting range, because this is absolutely a very nice drive, which you can see as well. Beautiful location driving through here. On your right, there's a hotel. So we are driving forward. The Delhi border would be coming in a few seconds from now. Absolutely green belt, if you see. There's a Kant enclave on the left. And here is the Delhi border. So we are crossing from Haryana into Delhi. Here you go. This is absolutely a beautiful track. You must see this. It's absolutely lovely. This is known as the shooting range. The shooting range track. Absolutely beautiful. A place in Delhi like this you would love to see. Quite well maintained, the greenery by the forest department. While we are driving through, you can see and enjoy the greenery around. Absolutely nice. This is the shooting range, Dr. Karni Singh shooting range on the right, gate number 3. Your entrance right on the right as well. Moving forward, you would be hitting onto a road which on the right would go to Badarpur and on the left would be taking you towards Saket and Qutub Minar.